Welcome back to part 2 on this Rolls Royce. Next stop is going to be washing the car. We want to make sure we strip everything off because we're also going to be polishing out and clay barring it. So we want the paint bare. So in order to do that, we have the 2-bucket method. The 2-bucket method is going to consist of clean water and soapy water. And we're also going to be using our Foam Blast 6 Pro. The reason why I'm going with the Foam Blast 6 Pro, this is going to be for anybody that does not have a pressure washer and still wants to get maximum suds. And I'm also going to be using one of our brand new products, which is going to be the Grip and Glide Wash Mitt. Extra coverage, super easy to use. You stick your hands in and you glide it across the paint. So how do you set up a 2-bucket method? It's super simple. All you need to do, remove your accessories. Before I start talking about the 2-bucket method, we're also going to be talking about our dirt traps. It's a must-have. These are going to filter while you wash. All you want to do is insert them at an angle and push down. Now on this side is going to be my clean water. On this side is going to be my soapy water. So since we're trying to strip everything off, on this one I'm going to be applying 1 ounce. I already went ahead and shook the soap beforehand, so I do not need to shake it anymore. But inside my Foam Blast 6 Pro, I'm going to remove the lid, dump a little bit out, because right here is where the magic happens. You know, magic happens. So right here, I'll be getting my soap and I'll be applying 1, 2, 3 ounces of soap into my Foam Blast 6 Pro. This is going to allow me to start stripping any paint protectants off of the surface of the vehicle. I want the paint on this Rolls Royce to be bare. I want no protection whatsoever. So like this, whenever we move on to the polishing step or compounding step, we're ensuring we're removing everything. We want no type of oils on the surface of the car. So this is why I'll be using 3 ounces of soap in here. So I'm just mixing it all in. And now all we're left to do is just sink. I'm gonna put my wash mat right here like that. I'll activate my suds after. We're just gonna start off by rinsing the surface of the car down to knock off any loose ground or debris. After that, I'll get back to you guys so I can show you guys exactly how to use this unit. Come on, let's go. All right, so we just finished rinsing down the surface of the car. Now it's time to attach our Foam Blast 6 Pro to the nozzle. Once you hear the click, you're ready to go. And then up top, there's actually a dial that's going to allow you to adjust your suds. So let me show you guys something. This is 0 right here. 0, pure water. You want suds, you turn the dial. I'm gonna go to 3. 1, 2, 3. Put the nozzle like this, and look, you guys can see, thick suds. And this is great for anybody that does not have access to a pressure washer, but still wants to foam up their car. Look, this is more than enough suds that gets on the surface of the car. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually going to be taking a section at a time because I am working in direct sunlight. It's right there, I have no shade whatsoever. I do have a little bit more sunlight over here than over here. So what I'm gonna just do, I'm going to unattach this, activate my suds really quick. I'm gonna scrub and foam as I go. Now I'm gonna just start by scrubbing it down. Now, the reason why I'm doing this at a section at a time is because we are working in direct sunlight. I already told you guys that. So I just wanna make sure I reiterate it just so you guys know exactly why I'm doing this step. After a couple passes, I'm gonna go to this side. And this is why I like using the Grip and Glide, because the Grip and Glide, you can use it as a mitt you put your hands on. If you don't want your hands on, you can use it as a big wash pad. Now this Rolls Royce has a big nose. I call this the nose. Even though it's the front end of the car, I call it the nose, you know. Treat it like a face. All right, so I scrubbed it down. I'm gonna go back to my clean bucket, sink it in here for right now. I'll come back and scrub it down. Now, let's keep going with the wash. We're gonna foam, scrub, wash. Foam, scrub, wash. So I'm gonna do this whole side. Okay, so I just finished washing the whole entire car. I put my Foam Blast 6 Pro off to the side. Now we're just left is we're gonna be rinsing it down. As you guys can see, there's still soap on here. So let's just rinse it off and let's see if we knocked off all the protection. Look at that. There's water drag, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this water drag because this means the paint has no type of protection. We're ready for clay bar, we're ready for polishing, and we're ready for the next step on this detail. So let me just rinse it off, dry it up, and I'll show you guys the results after. Look at that, no protection. And just like that, we went ahead and washed this Rolls Royce. As you guys can see, it is shining, but whenever you get up close and personal, you do see there's a lot of scratches and swirls that need to be addressed. So that's gonna be it for today's video. We covered the wash. On our previous video, we covered the wheels. As always, I'm Henry. If you guys would like to pick up any of the products used in today's video, chemicalguys.com is your one-stop website, or drive down to the local detail garage. As always, I'm Henry, and we'll see you guys next time.